Hi my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a carnival inspired look. I know I definitely cannot be the only one that is having carnival withdrawals. Ugh. So I wanted to create something very fun. I hit my model up and she had a costume from previous year, so I thought that was perfect. The look came out so beautiful. Oh, I really wish she was going on the road for the parade, but Miami's carnival should be coming up soon if all goes well. Of course, with this whole COVID thing, a lot of things are still getting postponed here and there, so if it does go through, here will be a look that you can actually follow or redo for your own costume, wearing different colors. You could change up the colors, you could just do the exact thing, and I hope you are inspired and try it. If you do not forget to tag me, and if you like videos like this, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye loves. So I'm gonna start with her brows first. I'm going in with a pencil from the beauty supply store. Yes guys, they still work. I really wanted to try some more inexpensive makeup on this channel, so here you go. This actually does the job really well. I'm gonna go in and just shape her brows with some concealer and then prime her lids, because we're going in with some super bright colors. The very first color that I'll be using is Bori from the Juvias Masquerade palette, and I'm just gonna be running that right in her crease. I'm not gonna blend it or anything yet, so I just want it to be as pigmented as possible, so I'm just placing that right there for now. After that, we're gonna go back in with the same primer that I used and just make sure I run that on the lid so we can get like a super pigmented look. So now I'm gonna go on the outer corner and just create some depth. So I'm going in and I'm mixing a jet black shadow with a purple shadow. This is actually from the Warrior 3 palette. The shadow is Candace. Now for this yellow, this bright yellow is so beautiful. I'm gonna go in and use that right in the inner portion of the eye. That yellow is also from the Warrior 3 palette, and the name of it is Nzinga, so I'll just be placing that on the inner portion. So I'll be layering different oranges just to get the desired look. You don't have to do this, you can go in with one orange, but I always like to go and just get the most vivid colors. So I'm going in with the 3 oranges from the James Charles palette, and I'll just be layering those colors until I get the look that I want. I went in with the PLouse Basic Brights in the red color, and I just drew a line right in the middle. I actually thought of this while doing it. Now I'm going in with a black gel liner. You guys know I love the black gel liner from Ellout Cosmetics number 77. That is a definite must-have in your kit. This is my favorite part, guys. I go and do these lines right at the top of, where do I say? This is not really the crease, but it's a little bit above the crease. I create these random abstract lines. I mean, it's so stunning. And of course, we add glitter, because what is carnival without sparkle, right? It doesn't have to be too uniformed or anything. I just like to go and it's art. You just make whatever lines or whatnot you want. So the squiggly lines are my favorite. Now I'm gonna go in and add her foundation. I'll be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear in 592. So I'm gonna go in with the concealer. I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'll just be putting that on the end of the line just to make sure it's like super sharp. I'll be using the exact same concealer under her eyes, and I did want to go for a super bright eye, so this is about 3 shades brighter than her actual complexion, but it'll all come together. I'm gonna go in with a Juvias Place concealer. I can't remember the name right now, but it will be down in the description box. And I am actually cream contouring. I barely ever do this. This is definitely a must do in my makeup routine. I always do this. I'm going in with Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm just setting her entire face. I'm just gonna go in with the MAC Sculpt and Shape contour palette, and I'll be putting that exactly where I put that concealer just to set it, and add some blush. All these stuff will be down in the description box. I can't remember exactly what I use, but I'll make sure to put all the information down below for you guys to retry this look. Now we're just gonna add some extra razzle dazzle, like we needed extra, right? And boom, her costume is on. We're just gonna go and smoke out the bottom line. So I am gonna add some highlighter on her body. You guys have to be very strategic of where you put your highlighter, because you don't want to look sweaty in your pictures, but you want to just give a really healthy glow. So this is exactly what I'm doing. Her higher points of her body, of her chest area, I'm showing you guys that I'm actually putting a little bit of highlighter there. For her lips, we are gonna go in and make our custom color. I'm gonna start with a burgundy. As I said, all the products will be listed down below. Go in and just make it something bold, something that will pop, but not too bright, because the eyes are definitely the main attraction. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, loves.